All right, you all, let's get this review started. Now, this one here definitely gets my stamp of approval and is worthy of the price that's in the Gear Manager store. $1 people, definitely worth the download. The name of the watch face is called MPE 32. Now, I like the look. I'm loving the design, the simplicity of this watch face, and it is geared toward fitness. Now, even in the AOD mode, you're going to get the same look, the same layout of information, and it will be legible at a glance with no problem. Once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. First off, nice stacked digital time. It's geared toward fitness. It's going to give you shortcuts to make the watch face just that much more convenient. So let's go ahead. Let's dive off into this one. Here you're going to get your step info. You're going to get miles walked or ran up under it. And you will get your calories burned on the other side along with your battery info. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your heart rate information, your date at the top, and right here where it says Galaxy, if you tap right there, you can go into active, you can go into gear, whatever you want to name your watch, you could do it right from there. Now you get shortcuts going around the bezel of the watch as well. So if I tap right here, I can go in and set a favorite. Same thing over here. And also, if I go down to the bottom, I will be able to go into my messages. We're not going to go into that right now. And I will be able to go make a phone call, check out my contacts. Now, what I like about the watch face, again, is yes, it is interactive. So if I tap at the top, it's going to give me my step status info. If I tap at the bottom, you will be able to bring up, of course, your email. That's another favorite. So you get 3 in all. Let's check this out. You will be able to go into your settings. Well, your step status info, and let's go back. Here, down at the bottom, you will get your battery info. So I thought that was pretty cool, but we are nowhere near done yet. Check this out, right? I like this. I can change the color theme of the digital time, top and bottom, right? So the bottom, just single tap, and everything is pretty much a single tap. I like that about this watch face. You don't have to double tap. Single, and you're in there. Down at the bottom, you will be able to go into your weather, which is one of my favorite applications on the watch face. Let's see if we can go up into the heart rate. It won't let you go off into it, but if I single tap on the screen, I can change the theme of this watch face to whatever I wanted to. I thought this was super cool. I thought it was awesome. And yeah, the developer definitely got down on this one. But hit me in the comment section down below, people. Let me know your thoughts on this super awesome watch face and if it's worthy of a download or not. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now, remember, people, the Monday grind is right around the corner. So get your rest on, take care of business, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.